Meaning of fix.
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 Fix. The word fix can have multiple meanings depending on the context. Generally, it means to repair or mend something that is damaged or broken. In a broader sense, it can also refer to making something right or solving a problem. The result of fixing something should be that the issue is resolved and the object or situation is brought back to its proper functioning state. However, in certain contexts, fix can also have negative connotations, such as rigging or manipulating something to achieve a particular outcome.